So we'll start with a sketch on this bottom face. This will be the sketch we use for positioning of the mounting boss. Just let's make sure we give it a horizontal relation, then we can specify the distance from the origin to the point to be 40 mm. Once you're done with that, you can insert the mounting boss feature. Okay, this is what has happened. For the position, it has already snapped to the point we made earlier. This is because the point was, we're in a selection mode of the point when we were starting the mounting boss command. But it's okay, let's give it a try and see if we can go directly into positioning it. Because in the previous steps, what we're doing is we're creating the mounting boss feature, then later on repositioning it by using the coincident mate. But this time it has already snapped in position. So let's see if it works then. We use the hardware boss. We use this one, the thread type. Just follow along on these values. A will be 10, B will be 6, C 2, D will be 4, E will be 2, F 1.5, G will be 10, H 1.5, 1 for there. We'll not be including any fins, so let's just make sure we bring this number to 0. So no fins, hence no need of changing anything down here. Okay, I think that's it. Right, so as you can see, we no longer have that sketch. The sketch we made earlier on is now a child of the mounting boss feature. Initially, the mounting boss feature was creating another sketch, like a 3D sketch, which we were repositioning to be coincident with the sketch we created earlier on. In this case, it has used the sketch which we created earlier on. I think this is a faster method of doing it than the method I showed you earlier. So, okay. Now we can proceed. We'll have 3 of these, so we can select this feature, then start the circular pattern. The direction, just click. You can click on this inside face. You need 3 of these. You have a count of 3 there. I think that's okay. Okay, 3 of them. We'll start another sketch in this face here. Let us start a sketch there. What I want you to do is change the display style to that. We'll select that outer edge and use convert entities. Change the display style back. Then we'll make an extrude, a blind extrude, a distance of 4. But now, what I want you to do is we should include a draft of 2 degrees and make it draft outwards. Yeah, I included a draft because this mounting feature also has a draft of 2 degrees. so I just wanted them to be matching sort of, so that if I view this from the front like that, I change the display, let's say to that, you can see that they are drafting by the same angle, 2-degree angle sort of. Okay, I'll go back to that. We'll create another sketch here. It will be an offset sketch of this edge, so select that edge and offset it by 0.5. Reverse the direction. You want it to offset inside like that. Then we are going to do an extrude cut. A distance of 1 mm. 1 mm. We are also going to include a draft of 2 degrees. Okay. I think that's okay. You can do that. So again, if I change the display style, okay, yeah, I think I'm okay with this. Let's see, we'll create another circle here on this face. Just hover over this edge for you to get this center. Click on the center, create a circle with a dimension of 5 mm. That's the diameter. Then we'll extrude cut. Extrude cut, we'll use the up to surface option. We'll select this surface. Then we'll also use a draft of 2 degrees. Okay. Now if you want to see how that looks like, you can go on the front plane, then change the display style, as you can see. So you have that hole goes up to this surface. So it's sort of like your access point for the screws. Yes. Yeah, this gives you an access point for the screws, because you'll be screwing from the bottom. So this is where maybe it gives you enough access for you to place your screwdriver. Okay. The next thing we'll do is we have to pattern these last few features that we made. So the first way of doing that is you can select the first feature, hold down Shift, and select the last feature. Now you have all the features that we made after the other circular pattern selected. As you can see, all these 3 are selected. Then you can make a circular pattern. On the direction, you can select this circular face. And then the rest are okay, 360 degrees. You need a pattern of 3 for the number of instances. That's okay. All right. Then we have a few more things to do. I need us to go on this face. Let's see. Okay, select this face, start a sketch. Once you're there, we'll use the center rectangle. We'll start a sketch somewhere here. Now I'll make the center of this rectangle and the origin, I'll give them a horizontal relation like that. Then we can start the dimensioning. These will be at a distance of 30 mm. We can have this length as 28 and have this length as 15. Then we can include a fillet of 3 mm for all the four corners, that corner, and that corner. Alright, and we can extrude cut by 0.2 mm. So 0.2 mm extrude cut. So this is where maybe you put company logo. You can put information about the power rating and all that stuff. So there will be some sort of sticker over here for that. That's why I just extrude cut this one by a small depth of 0.2 mm, because there will be a sticker sort of, so it will come over here. I think the last step, hopefully, for this is just to include some fillets. Let's use 2 mm for the fillets, so we can fillet this edge. We can also fillet this edge. Okay, let's select that edge. I wanted to use a certain fillet shortcut, but it might consume a lot of processing power. Might be too much for my laptop. So just select these edges I'm selecting to make your fillets. Okay, I think that's enough for now anyway. Okay, all right, so I think in as far as the base is concerned, this should be enough. For those of you who just want to go maybe an extra step, you might assign a material to this. You can do it here, or you can just give it an appearance, any appearance you want. You can play around with the appearance section and see. Let's see, let's apply a high gloss plastic. What color can we give it? Let's try yellow. I don't know if there's anyone who wants a yellow diffuser in their house. Let's see how it looks like. Ooh. Okay, let's just try it on this face maybe. On the face. Okay. Anyway, that's not important right now. So I can just get rid of that. Save your part. And I think this should be all for the base of the diffuser. I don't think there is anything we're missing. So this marks the end of part 1 of modeling the base of the diffuser. I haven't decided which part we're going to model next. We'll see. But thank you guys for listening. I hope you guys can post in the comment section how your models have come out. If you have made any adjustments or tweaks, then let me know. If maybe you have suggestions on how we can improve this model, let me know. I know I took a bit of a time making this. I was trying to be as informative as possible, just trying to explain every bit of everything that I've been doing in this tutorial. So I'll try to make the other tutorials way faster than this one. But again, questions, comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.